Good morning, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, and Adab to all my valuable viewers. Today we will discuss a very high technical subject which affects almost all the youngsters. Normally, there are some young people, some even though they are quite intelligent and competent, they feel very weak. Their presentation is very weak. When you talk to them, they look very weak. Why they look weak and why they should not be weak, and what are the factors which make them weak, even though they are quite intelligent, very laborious, very hardworking. So, I will discuss some 9 points through which they have to look into themselves and find out the cause of their looking weak. Why they are not able to face their bosses, why they are not able to overcome the office politics, and those who do not understand the office politics either, and they are not in visibility. Those who are not in visibility, they will not be promoted. They may be left behind, they may be neglected. So please make a presentation and please look into it that where do you lack for which you look weak. Especially for the youngsters, it is very important to keep note of all the 9 points which I am going to discuss. Over apologizing for everything. There are some youngsters वो बिना मतलब के अपोलोजेटिक रहते हैं, हर चीज पे माफी मांगते रहते हैं, सफाई देते रहते हैं. Have a confidence in yourself. If you feel you are right, take a stand. Don't be apologize. And that excessive over apologizing gets misinterpreted. Then the second is not accepting the compliment. There are some people, those who are so depressed. अगर कोई आदमी आपने अच्छा काम किया है तो कोई आदमी आपको कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है, कोई आदमी अप्रिशिएट कर रहा है, उस अप्रिसिएशन को एक्सेप्ट करिए and give him a response. Yes, I have done the good job and you have appreciated me. It is so kind of you. Accept it. Don't run away. नॉर्मली बच्चे कहते रहे ठीक है सर जी, आपने तो आपका आशीर्वाद है, ये है वो नहीं. You have done it, please accept the compliments. If you have done it, you must accept it. Then always some people, who is perfect man, who doesn't have weaknesses, who doesn't have sharpness. There are certain strength points, certain weak points. And these people, those who look weak, they are always concentrating and focusing on their weak points. They are always suffering from that phobia that I am weak. There are some strong points also. Please concentrate on that and focus on that, and please market those strong points and try to improve your weak points. Then अवॉइडिंग आई कॉन्टैक्ट. हम लोग अपनी आंखें छिपाते फिरते हैं. आंख से आंख मिला के देखिए. डू नॉट रन अवे. व्हेन आई वाज ए चाइल्ड, so I was also suffering from this sort of a phobia. One of my teacher, he used to behave like that. तो जब मैं उसको देखता था तो मैं रास्ता बदल लेता था. तो डू नॉट सफर फ्रॉम दैट फोबिया. आई टू आई कांटेक्ट बढ़ाइए. जिससे भी आप कांटेक्ट करें, आंख में आंख मिलाइए. जैसे हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जब नए नए बने थे तो उनका एक डायलॉग था कि चाइना से साथ हम आज आंख में आंख मिला के देखेंगे. वी विल see toward the prime president of China and the president of various presidents by having an eye contact. उसको देख के हम आंखें छिपाएंगे नहीं. Then the fifth point is set your own boundaries. दूसरा आदमी आपके साथ जो डील कर रहा है, जो आपका बॉस है, if the boss is toxic, he may be setting your boundaries. किसको आपको बात करनी है, क्या आपको काम करना है, होम टू एंटरटेन, होम नॉट टू एंटरटेन, किस टॉपिक पे आपको बात करनी है, वो बाउंड्रीज कोई दूसरा आदमी आपके लिए तय नहीं करे, आप तय करिए. दैट विल कम ओनली व्हेन यू हैव गॉट ए कॉन्फिडेंस. कॉन्फिडेंस सब बच्चों को अंदर आता है. देर आर समटाइम टॉक्सिक बॉक्स आपको मिल जाते हैं जो हमेशा आपको 24 घंटे दबाते रहते हैं. अगर आपने अच्छा काम किया तो उसको कभी अप्रिशिएट नहीं करेंगे. अगर जो आपने नहीं किया है उसके ऊपर ही आपको डांटते रहेंगे 24 घंटे. दे विल बी नेवर डिस्कसिंग योर अचीवमेंट्स. They will be always discussing your failures. Please set your own boundary. Tell that person, ignore that person when he is talking nonsense. Then understand the office politics. Those who do not play that, those who do not understand the game, they are left behind. Then avoid difficult conversations. There are some people वो इतने डरे हुए हैं, जहाँ पर बहुत लंबी चौड़ी डिस्कशन होने जा रही है, वहाँ पर वो लोग पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं करते. आगे की लाइन में बैठिए. बी द फ्रंट सीटर. डिस्कस इट. Somebody then over explain. There are some people तो अगर कोई छोटी सी बात उसके साथ हो जाती है तो उस बात को एक्सप्लेन बहुत डिटेल में करते हैं. The other man is there to confuse you and you are going giving an explanation. Your concept is clear, you have done a right job. Tell him and do not go into. अगर किसी ने पूछा कि यार आपने ये काम क्यों नहीं किया, सब्जी में नमक ज़्यादा था, ये था, टेस्टी नहीं लगी, then you start giving so लंबी सी एक्सप्लेनेशन. जितनी ज़्यादा आप एक्सप्लेनेशन देंगे उसमें से और वो क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करेगा, आपको और डिमोरलाइज करेगा. डू नॉट गो फॉर ओवर explanation. And then one of the very important thing is be decisive. Be decisive. Do not become a prisoner of indecision, because it has been seen, if you don't take a decision, loss is much more than if you take a wrong decision. So let it be wrong. The IAS के जितने ऑफिसर होते हैं उनको सिखाया जाता है कि be decisive. Take a decision. Let 100 people die, but the matter should not be pending because of indecision. So please be decisive, be proactive, be and last and very important, I have discussed in my last lecture also in the personality development that go in for have your personality. That means you must dress up properly depending upon the occasion and the opportunity. I do not mean that costly कपड़े पहन के जाइए या costly dress costume में जाइए. Go in a decent and according to the occasions. You must know your dress sense. अगर आप वो फटे कपड़े ढीले से, मैं सीधा साधा आदमी हूँ, जो भी कपड़े पहन के, you will not get noticed. People will ignore you. You have to come, if you are an IAS officer, if you are a doctor, you are a senior doctor, come in a decent and well dressed up. And makeup. Makeup is not a bad thing. Every professional must do makeup. Makeup is not a stigma. It is a necessity to become a good professional. With this, I am concluding this lecture. Thanks a lot.